How to activate Tidio on Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify store or admin, and then for example, you've already installed your your Tidio chatbot, but you can't see it on your store. So for example, I've already installed the chatbot here. Let's check on the app. Click on apps here, and then click on app and sales channel settings. And as you can see, I've already installed the Tidio chatbot here, but when I look at my store, I don't see it. So in order for you to activate your Tidio, so you just need to go back, close this, and then click on online store here under sales channel, and then you just need to click on customize. Okay, now click on this app embed icon here, and then you can see the Tidio chat widget here. So what you need to do is just toggle this on, then wait, and then click on save here at the top right. Okay, let's wait again. Okay, and then you just need to refresh your store, and you can see the chatbot here. Okay, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.